On the back of the computer you can see a lot of screws. You need to understand how you should remove the cover of the computer. All computers are different, so you need to check where the screws are, what is the best way to remove this part. It could be challenging. For example, for this computer I will have to unclick this plastic cover from the top part, and it could be challenging. For this purpose I have special plastic tool, so that when I try to unclick this part here, I'm not going to damage the plastics. I've already switched the drives before in this computer, so I know that I will have to remove the battery first, and I will also have to remove the CD reader. Otherwise I will not be able to detach this plastic cover from the top part. But the first thing I will do is to check all the screws that I need to remove. Sometimes you have some rubber caps here and you may not see all the screws, so make sure you also check the rubber caps. For example, here I had a rubber cap that was hiding these two screws here. So you need to have a small screwdriver and start removing the screws. Now I removed all the screws, and one of them probably was holding this CD reader inside. Now I can start removing it, and as you can see, it comes out easily. So this is how the CD reader looks like, and you just plug it in. It also has here a socket. Now the most difficult part is to detach one plastic cover from another one. For example, here I'm not able to remove it. Never force it too much. And you see why I'm not able to remove it? There are two screws. If I would force it, I would break this plastic. So I need to remove these two screws as well. This is very important for any device that is protected by a plastic casing. Okay, now it's released. Now this is where our hard drive is. We need to remove it now. To do that we need first of all to unplug it. Be careful not to touch anything and not to have static electricity on your clothes, because static electricity can pass to the computer from your body and damage your computer. I'm removing the plug. And I'm removing the hard drive. It's not even screwed. So that's the old hard drive. As there were no screws here, check if you need to remove something from this drive, any protective cover. So for example, here I see these plastic pieces here, and they are used to keep the hard drive inside, otherwise it would move. I will have to remove it. Make sure you remember the position of this piece and put it correctly. This piece is important. In this metal you have special spaces here, so the rubber has also some geometry that only can fit in if you put it correctly. This allows to keep the hard drive inside so it doesn't move around. Now I will put the cover back, but won't put any screws. And after I copy all data back and make sure everything works correctly, I will screw everything back.